General bonsai maintenance. This is an 8-year-old Chinese elm. I start by scraping the soil. Then I remove any dead leaves and entangle any branches. This tree didn't need much pruning. This is a 6-year-old Fucine tea tree. Again, I start by scraping the soil. Then remove any dead leaves. Top up the soil. I forgot to top this one up. And another 6-year-old Fucine tea tree. Both species of bonsai in this video are perfect for beginners. This bonsai flowers during summertime. They're so pretty. At the end, I wipe down every pot including underneath. Voila!